For any triangle ABC, show that the product of tangent of A over 2 and tangent of B over 2 equals A plus B minus C over A plus B plus C, and that's also equals to S minus C over S. Let's try to understand the terminologies before proceeding. We begin by first considering a triangle with vertices A, B and C. Now, the sides opposite to angle A, B and C are going to be represented by the letters A, B and C in lowercase. If we take the sum of the sides, that's A plus B plus C, that's going to give us the perimeter of the triangle ABC. Dividing it by 2 gives us the semi-perimeter, which is denoted by the letter S in lowercase. We'll be using this. And also, here we have the half angle formula that we need to use. So let's specify the formulas. So here we have tangent of A over 2, that's given by the square root of S minus B times S minus C over S times S minus A. Similarly, we have tangent of B over 2. So with this, we start our proof. We'll start with the first expression, which is tangent of A over 2 multiplied to tangent of B over 2. Now let's use the value. So here we have the square root of S minus B multiplied to S minus C divided by S times S minus A. This is the value of tangent of A over 2. This gets multiplied to tangent of B over 2, which is given by S minus A multiplied to S minus C divided by S multiplied to S minus B. Now let's combine the two terms. So here we have common square root. So underneath the square root, we have S minus B times S minus C multiplied to S minus A times S minus C divided by, we have S squared multiplied to S minus A times S minus B. So here we can factor out S minus B from the numerator and the denominator, and also S minus A. Now that's going to leave us with square root of S minus C, that's repeating twice. So it's a perfect square, which means we have now S minus C divided by square root of S squared, that's going to be S. Now that gives us the expression S minus C over S. So here we have shown this part. Now let's come to A plus B minus C over A plus B plus C. So here we'll be using the definition, which is the half of the perimeter of a triangle gives us the semi-perimeter S. Now we need to find out A plus B minus C divided by A plus B plus C. We're going to rewrite the numerator. What we'll do, we're going to add C, but that's an extra term that we're adding, so we'll need to subtract C from it, but we already have a C subtracted, so this is going to give us negative 2C divided by A plus B plus C. However, we can replace A plus B plus C with 2 times of S, so we have 2 times of S minus C, 2C divided by A plus B plus C, which is simply 2S. Factoring out the 2 from the numerator and the denominator, that leaves us with S minus C over S. And we are getting exactly the same result. Now that means we have successfully showed that. Hence, if we take the product of tangent of A over 2 and tangent of B over 2, this product is going to be having the same value as A plus B minus C divided by A plus B plus C, and both of them have the same value, which is S minus C over S. Hence proved.